next sum, see, so that A, B, C are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, suppose that isosceles triangle A, B, C, these are the vertices 6, 4, 5 minus 2 and 7 minus 2. These are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Is it? We have to show it. So what to do here? We will find the distance of AB, we will find the distance of BC, and we will find the distance of AC. And if two sides are equal, then the isosceles triangle. So what we will do that first of all, we will do that AB. Right? First AB we will find out. AB is what? Root over. AB is what? 6 minus 5 also you can do. 6 minus 5 whole square plus what? 4 minus minus 2 become plus 2 whole square. So what will get that root over? It is 1 square plus, it is what? 6 square. So it will become what? Root 37 unit. Then try to find out that BC. As root over BC is what? 5 minus 7 whole square, or 7 minus 5 minus 7 whole square plus minus 2, then minus become plus 2 whole square. So it will become what? Minus 2 whole square, and then it is what? Minus cancel, so it is 0. So it will become root over 4 means 2 unit. That's not matching again, but we have another option, that is AC. Find the AC then. AC is how much? AC, root over AC. So AC is what? Yes, 7 minus 6 whole square. 7 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square. So it is 7 minus, it is minus 1 square plus minus 6 square. So it will be what? Root over 1 plus 6 means 6 square means 36. So it will be what? Root over 37. Yes, see now that AC and AB are equal. You see, root 37. So what will get that? Therefore what? AB equal to AC, and therefore what we write? A, B, C are the, therefore A, B, C are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Yes, right? That one. So see the next sum, that these are the vertices. We have to show that these are the vertices of an what? Rectangle. 0, minus 1, 6, 7, minus 2, 3, and 8, 3 are the vertices of a rectangle. So to prove that it is a rectangle, suppose these are A, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, B, 6, 7, C, let it be C, minus 2, 3, and D, 8, 3. What will do then? To become a rectangle, that opposite distance are equal, that to AB and CD will be equal, AD and BC are equal. After that, then also it is not a rectangle. If opposite sides are equal, then it will become a parallelogram, maybe parallelogram. So what to do after that? After getting that opposite side equal, we have to again find the distance of AC and the BD. And if AC and BD are also equal, then it becomes a rectangle. Is it? So we have to find here 6 distance: AB, BC, CD, AD. And here we will get the opposite sides equal and the diagonals are equal. Then it becomes a rectangle. Is it? So let the points are, A, 0, minus 1, B, 6, 7, C, minus 2, 3, and D here 8, 3. So therefore here AB we will write AB, because there are 6 distance we have to find. AB equal to root over. So you see AB 6 minus 0, 6 minus 0 squared plus, it is 7 minus 1 means plus 1 whole square. So what will get? That is 6 square is 36 plus 7 plus 8, 8 square means 64. So it will be 100 means 10. AB is 10. After AB, find the BC. Root over. What will get the BC then? 6, it is plus 2. See, 6 plus 2 plus 7 minus 3. Don't say that yes, one is plus, one is minus. No, this is minus, then minus, and then again minus, this is plus. So it will be what? It is 8 squared plus 4 squared. So 8 squared is what? 64 plus 16. So how much will get? It is 0 and then 7, 8, 80. Is it root 80? One is 10, one is root 80. Is it? 64 and 36. Is it? And then what will get? So I have found that CD and the AD. And what you have obtained here, AB and CD are equal. AB and CD opposite sides are equal. And that BC and AD are equal. See, BC and AD are equal. See, BC and AD are equal. Is it? BC and AD are equal. So here we will get what? Here we will get that AB. Therefore, AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. Is it? Now we will find out. Now we will find out what? AC and BD. Is it? So you write that, and after that AC and BD will find out. And if AC and BD are equal, then it become a what? Rectangle. So I'll wrap these things now. We'll get these two equal, that two equal. Then AC and BD will be equal. Yes, I wrap this part. Now the AC and BD will be equal. So AC and BD, see, AC will find out AC. How much? The diagonal. Is it? Minus 2, 0. Minus 2, 0 whole square. Plus 3, it is plus 1 whole square. So it will be what? 4, it is 4, and 4 square is 16. So it will be what? Root 20. AC is root 20. Then after that BD you will find out. BD, what will get BD? Root over. So BD you find out that BD will be what? 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 whole square. Plus, it is 3 minus 7 whole square. So 8 minus 6 is 2 square. 2 square plus minus 4 square. So it is 4 plus 16. That means root 20. So see here, the diagonals are also equal. And now what? When we find that AC and BD, and then what will get? That two are equal. And then what will get? AC equal to BD. Is it? So the opposite sides are equal and diagonals are equal. So therefore what? ABCD is a what? Rectangle. But if it is not equal, then it becomes a parallelogram. Is it? It is not given here. The rectangle given, rectangle you have to prove. But if it is written, not so, it is written and what type of quadrilateral it is, then if it is not equal, then it is parallelogram. If all sides equal, is it? If all sides equal and diagonal equal, then it is square. And if all sides equal, diagonal not equal, it is rhombus. Rhombus. Okay, clear? Again I repeat, opposite side equal, diagonal equal, rectangle. Opposite side equal, diagonal not equal, parallelogram. All side equal, diagonal also equal, square. All side equal, diagonal not equal, is it? Then rhombus. So that's all about it.